Welcome back. So in this video, what we're going to be doing all our downloads, okay? And it will take a while. So just sit back and relax. The first one we're going to download VMware Workstation, okay? You can just simply Google download VMware Workstation 15 Pro. Pretty easy and straightforward. You can go here and then have it downloaded, click downloads and then you can run it. Okay, I've already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it again. So I've already downloaded that application already. So the second application we're going to download is the Windows servers. Okay, so download Windows Server 2012. Okay, so we can go to the trial R2 and then when that pops up, so we're going to look for Windows Server 2012. No, we're going to look for Windows Server 2012 and then you download the ISO file. You click continue, fill all your details here, and then you click continue and then you download. I've already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it anymore. And the third one we're going to be looking at is we're downloading an SQL Server 2012, 2012. Yeah, you can go to this website, the evaluation. I'm sure you can also download those links from this video. So we go and then we have, okay, this is an evaluation. You can just simply click download and then choose this file. It's 4.2 gig. So like I said, I already have that downloaded because I don't want to just download it right now because it's going to take a couple of our time. So it's straightforward. Okay, we have to download that. So right now I'm done with all the downloads already, like I said. So basically what I have to do is just we start the installation of virtual VMware Workstation. Okay, so let me just open where I downloaded this application. Okay, so yeah, excuse me. So right now this is my VMware player or VMware Workstation. So you can just right click and then open. Okay, if I'm too fast, you can always just reduce the speed. So let me close this and let me minimize this just in case. So we're waiting for that to pop up. So we have this wizard here. All you need to do is just click next. Pretty straightforward. Because I've already installed it on my system, you can see it's not prompting me to install because I've already installed that on my system. But like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Or let me just remove this for those of you who doesn't have experience in installation of this VMware Workstation. I'm just going to remove it and then remove it from my system and then reinstall it. Okay, because like I said, I want to take you through this journey one step at a time so that you don't feel left out. And if you have any question, you can always get in touch with me. I'm available 24/7. So while we wait, while that finish its installation. All right, so this has been done, so it's been removed. So we're going to reinstall this application back by just double clicking on the application and then you click yes. Let me minimize this. So we're waiting for the installation bar to kickstart. So all right, so this is here. So we're going to just click next, and of course you accept license. I know a couple of us don't actually read all these licenses, so you just click next. You just click another next, and then of course I usually just uncheck this and then you click next. And then you just click next and then you install. It takes a couple of seconds to install, so we just have to wait for a minute to get that installed. All right, so this has done installing, so we're going to just click finish. Okay, so it's on my desktop, so I'm just going to where is this on my desktop right now? So okay, I'm looking for it. So I'm just going to double click it and then right? So this is VMware Workstation. So what is VMware Workstation? I'm just going to, simplify what a VMware Workstation is. I'm not going to, bore you with any theoretical explanation of what it is. Workstation is just a hosted hypervisor, okay? It actually allows you to run multiple computers on a single physical machine, just like I have my laptop, okay? I have just a single laptop right now, but with the help of this VMware Workstation, I can install multiple laptops or multiple computers on just a single machine. Okay, so it means that each virtual machine or each computer or each operating system can execute its own system, its own operating system. Either it's Linux, Windows, MX-DOS. You can run whatever computer or operating system you want to run. It allows you to run multiple systems simultaneously. Okay, that is the reason for VMware Workstation. Just as you have a physical drive, it has a physical drive, it has USB, it has network adapters. Everything you can find in a regular computer, you can have it on your VMware Workstation. So that is the essence of the VMware Workstation. Now that we've downloaded all three softwares, we're going to go into installing the domain controller.